The dead Muslim who has been doing the medical operations and surgeries reported by BBC News. Yes, that's right. This is Sama News exclusive report about Shah Haqiq medical operations. They investigated with the public and later they also did a TV program as Awam Ki Awaaz. This one is a report by Dr. Nadeem on a famous TV channel Geo News in Pakistan. Third one reported as a dedicated TV program Kuch To Hai on 2nd March 2013 by the CNBC News channel. This one is reported by Junaid Khanzada on Express News channel. Next evidence is a report by Dharti TV. It is a Sindhi language TV channel. And here is 11 years old Urdu documentary on Shah Haqiq Baba. And now here is the report by Daily Ummat newspaper of Pakistan. It is a newspaper and it published 11 episodes about the Shah Haqiq Baba. Their research team went there and they investigated and researched about it with the public there, and they made the report in 11 episodes. So obviously they are not fool. You may directly search about Shah Haqiq BBC Urdu on the Google, which will lead you toward a non-graphical version of the page. Or you may simply type the /Urdu in the URL. I am writing Shah Haqiq in Urdu and here is the BBC reported news about him. You can study it here through direct URL in the description and translate the Urdu page into English via Google Translate. If dead Muslim Shah Haqiq is not doing medical operations and surgeries, then why did BBC report it about him? Why did not BBC report about any dead non-Muslim with such power? Because there is no dead non-Muslim in the world who can treat and heal medical patients. I ask you to show us any single dead non-Muslim in the world who has been doing the medical operations and surgeries like Shah Haqiq, the dead Muslim, is doing with the gift by Allah. By using Google Map, you can also see the location of Shah Haqiq Shrine with the coordinates. Some intransigent non-Muslims say that the news is fake and there is no real place. So I ask you, what is this? I think such non-Muslims don't use their mind and they are really fool themselves. Further, there is a photo inside shrine and you can see the grave of Shah Haqiq, which clearly shows that he is obviously a dead Muslim. For more details, go to rightfulreligion.com and under my observable miracle section you can study more about Shah Haqiq. Now I want to ask only 3 questions before I finish this video. Number 1, why any dead non-Muslim or any dead atheist could not do it ever and are not able to do it? Number 2, how does that dead Muslim have such power and who gave this power to him? And number 3, even the most famous and expert doctors and surgeons are useless after death. Then how does the dead Muslim have been doing the medical operations and treatments? Wow, this is strange. How? There is no medical equipment. There is no real physical hospital with the facilities of treatment. Then how is this possible and how is this happening? Think about it. Research about it. If you don't believe on all of these evidences and if you are still intransigent, then I suggest you to come to Pakistan, visit this location yourself, come with your doctors and even with your patients who really need medical operations.